All right, Gear Jammers, we are going to try a little something different in League tomorrow. We're going to include the AI as we run around the track and race each other. But there's some special steps you need to do, and I'm going to hopefully walk you through those steps. First off, in trading paints, you're going to look for a collection, and we'll share this link. You're going to go find this truck series that Wilms has created. Then you're going to go in here and you're going to favorite. Should turn from white to yellow. Once you got that done, you need to go and open your trading paints once. So on the screen, we have trading paints. You're going to see it probably download there for just a second. Once you get that done, close that out. Now, if you want to be sure that your trading paints worked, go into Documents, iRacing, AI Rosters, and you should see the truck series with the same number folder as you see here, 267397. If you've got that, you've got the truck series paints downloaded now. Now you want to go in into this IRSideKick website. You're going to look for what's called livery and click it, and it should start to download. I've already got a copy of it, so it's going to give me the old parentheses 1. You're going to run this. It's follow the steps to install. One of the steps it's going to ask is what's your iRacing number? And I believe you can find your iRacing number on the helmet, and you can actually click the copy if you want to grab it there. Once loaded, it should show up to your desktop. You can open it up. It's going to look a little something like this. Kind of see the drivers there. Now I should be able to go into iRacing. Wilms has got a session started for us. Already registered, so we're going to hit join. Give it a second to load.
reverse, new leader.
Let me mute that iRacing real quick. So go in here, and my iRacing's doing some loading. My frames aren't not having way fun trying to load. What you can see is we go to the paint, let it load. You scroll through them, Dawson, there's Wesley, there's Timmy. Well, Timmy hadn't loaded yet, but Norm, they're all white. So make sure you come in here, everything's set up correctly. This should load up your cars, your drivers, and all these check marks are green. Now, if they're yellow, you probably haven't downloaded the file from Trading Paints. You didn't set the collection as your favorite, and you didn't run the Trading Paints the one time. So make sure if you get green arrows and you get white trucks, one more thing we need to do. Under Options, go to Graphics, Advanced, we're going to click Hide Card Numbers. This is going to load up the custom paint. As you see, the 17's already got a custom paint jumped on there. There's Tony's number 5. It loaded. I see if we go through Jennifer Jo Cobb loaded. Daniel Hemrick. There's a few of them that hasn't loaded, but you can see the majority of the AI paints are loading. So that's all you should be able to need to do. Is those few things. Favorite the collection in Trading Paints. Run Trading Paints one time. Close it out. Check your documents. AI rosters for the Truck AI folder that I mentioned. Download the IRSideKick livery program. Install it with your driver number, iRacing driving number. Load up into the session, and then check your options under graphic. I'll save this video or just make it public, and hopefully this works. Any questions, give me a holler, and I'll do my best to assist.